Hello Cancer Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayo? And welcome to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading for March 2025. Ano po inyong mga wishes and plans this month? I-comment nyo po yan sa baba. Use my comment section as your manifestation board. And we'll see kung pakikinggan ni God at saka matutupad this month yung mga isusulat nyo dyan na wishes and plans ninyo. So, use that as your manifestation board. Okay. Thank you po sa mga nag-like, nag-share, and also nag-subscribe. And also for those who are not skipping the ads, thank you po for your kindness and generosity sa ating channel. I-thank you lang po yung mga resonate kayo and leave the rest. Yung ibang messages po ay para sa ibang cancer yon. So, use po your intuition para po makuha niyo ang mga messages na inyong spirit guides sa ating reading for this month. At the center of your reading, you have the Six of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Sun. In the area of what you need, you have the Page of Pentacles. In the area of your recent past, you have the Four of Pentacles. In the area of your near future, you have the King of Wands. In the area of your challenge this month, Cancer, you have the World card. In the area of your fortune this month, you have the Judgment card. Beautiful. In the area of your advice from a divine, you have the Queen of Swords and the Seven of Swords. May 6 and 7. And your outcome this month, Cancer, you have the King of Cups. Beautiful. At the bottom of your deck for this month, Cancer, you have the Page of Cups. I'm seeing may mga pagkilos this month, may mga huge surprises parating sa'yo, mga bagay na hindi mo inakalang darating sa'yo, mga magandang bagay. I'm seeing na kailangan handa ka when you achieve this at hindi mo rin siya to take for granted kasi ang Page of Cups naman nakatingin siya doon sa isda sa loob ng cup. Tinitignan niyang mabuti para hindi makawala yung isda sa loob ng cup na yun. So when this huge surprise darating sa iyo this month, make sure na hindi mo siya pakakawalan and you will not take it for granted and you will use it para sa mga bagay na makakabuti for your greater good sa buwang ito, Cancer. So, congratulations kung ano man tong huge surprise, whether pregnancy or a new job or malaking development sa negosyo mo, basta something na magugulat ka na hindi mo inaasahan na makukuha mo this month. Okay? At the center of your reading, you have the Six of Swords. I'm seeing you trying to walk away from something na hindi na nakakabuti sa'yo. Now is the right time for accepting also the fact na it's time to move on, it's time to walk away. I'm seeing you getting to peaceful, calmer, and a better life. Wala nang drama, wala nang conflict, wala nang hirap. Parang dati trabaho ka ng trabaho and then push ka ng push for something to happen. Parang ganyan. And now parang merong certain acceptance this month. May acceptance for, parang hindi ko napipilit yung mga bagay na gusto ko. Hindi ko na i-force yung mga bagay. And then you're thinking, okay, time to move on, time to just be peaceful and let things flow. Naging mahirap yung mga nakaraan mo, naging sobrang pagod. I'm seeing someone so stressful sa dami ng kailangan bayarang bills o mga tasks na kailangan mo makompleto o kailangan mo magawa. You think marami ding inconsistencies and also uncertainties in the past. Parang hindi mo alam kung paano ka kukuha ng pangganto, bibili ng ganyan. May parang ilangan ng mga anak mo, hindi mo alam kung saan kukunin, ganyan. So, also for others, sa yung future, you don't know when and where and how to achieve your goals. But now, meron parang kapayapaan sa isip mo at puso mo na you just want to be peaceful, you just want to be happy. Basta makuha mo lang din yung mga bagay na alam mong matagal mo pinagdasal. I'm hearing, parang hindi naman ako masamang tao, bakit hindi ko makuha yung mga gusto kong ganyan. So, you're thinking of those things na parang don't force it, it will come, but now parang ready ka na to sail forward and just do the things that you want pero wala nang puwersa, walang pagpuwersa, wala nang pagpilit sa mga bagay-bagay. So the Six of Swords being clarified by the World, yes, meron ng completion, dalawang beses lumabas yung the World dito. May completion. I'm seeing there's a closure about something. May give up ka ba na dream o na relasyon o may give up ka na ba na parang sitwasyon na parang okay, ayoko na, tapos na ako dyan. It's time for me to move on. It's time to move forward. Yan nakikita ko sa'yo. I'm also seeing some, for others, accomplishments. For others, Cancer, parang may natapos ka ditong cycle, whether nakatapos ka na ng gantong kurso o nakatapos ka na ng gantong requirements, nabuo mo lahat, nakompleto mo lahat, at yan ang magiging sa'yo ng go signal to push and go somewhere na kung nasaan ang mga pangarap mo, ganun. So, merong pagkatapos at merong accomplishment and successful triumph doon sa ginawa mo na yan. Nakompleto mo yung isang bagay, kaya parang nabigyan ka ng go signal to go there, somewhere, kung saan po yung balak niyong puntahan, whether abroad or other city or other job offer, or merong completion on a certain company, ganyan. Kaya parang nag-level up ka. Yan. In the area of your conscious and subconscious, in the position of what you want, you have the sun. Happiness. Gusto mo lang talaga maging masaya. Gusto mo lang yung walang stress sa life mo, walang sakit. I'm seeing someone praying hard na gumaling na, because the sun is all about healing, warmth, enjoyment. For those Cancer na may sakit ngayon, parang yung prayers nyo now is all about healing, paggaling, mahanap na yung gamot o epekto na yung mga treatment na ginagawa ninyo. For others are finding ways kung paano gumaan yung inyong pakiramdam at magkaroon na ng solusyon yung mga nararamdaman. For others, I'm seeing you parang getting out of a dark situation and you just want to be happy. Just want to go somewhere na hindi mo na kailangan makipag-compromise o makipag-communicate dun sa mga toxic and negative people, whether family members o karelasyon or workmates, ganyan. So, your mindset this month is all about, I just want to be happy. I just want to be free. I just want to go somewhere na hindi ako parang nakatali o hindi ako the robot, ganyan, the susi, na parang everything is controlled, ganyan. You want to be free, you want to be happy. So the sun is being clarified by the Queen of Wands. Yes. It's all about you, your happiness. Everything that makes you happy, everything that makes you feel wanted, feel free. Ayaw mo din, parang gusto mong bumalik yung self-confidence mo, yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Ayaw mo nang isipin yung gagawin at sasabihin ng ibang tao. Ayaw mo doon nakabase yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin in the future. Ayaw mo rin nakabase sa ibang tao yung magiging opinion at decision mo sa buhay mo. So you want freedom. You want to have the control over your life again, parang ganyan. So in the area of what you need, sabi sa'yo ng spirit guides, you need Page of Pentacles. Ano daw ba yung mga pinakakaabalahan mo now? Assess things, Cancer. Ano yung mga importante sa'yo at ano yung gusto mong lumago at gusto mo yung maging kapakipakinabang para sa'yo in the near future. Halimbawa, you want to start a makeup tutorial sa YouTube. Yan. Kung yan ang naiisip mong gawin, focus on that thing, and I'm telling you, lalago yan at magiging kapakipakinabang sa'yo in the near future. Pwedeng magkaroon ka ng ads dyan, makaipon ka ng pera, ganyan. So kung ano ba daw yung tinatrabaho mo now, papers, papeles, going abroad, or other job offers, katayo ka ng maliit lang na negosyo muna. So mag-focus ka sa kung ano yung mahalaga sa'yo now, and mapakinabangan mo yan in the near future, at maaaring dyan manggaling itong huge surprise na hindi mo inakala na makukuha mo this month, okay? Page of Pentacles is being clarified with the Ace of Wands. Yes, kailangan mo daw ng great idea, and this opportunity or blessing will bring you brand new life, a brand new abundant life for you and your family. Parang you've been praying for a brand new start, parang out with the old, in with the new. You want to try something else. You want parang spice sa buhay mo, yung bagong simula, ganyan. So kapag nag-focus kayo sa isang bagay na gusto mo gawin, kung ano man po yung pagkakaabalahan nyo now, that will bring you the life that you always been wanting and praying, okay? So, focus ka sa mga mahalaga at gusto mong mangyari in your life. In the recent past, you have the Four of Pentacles. Naging matipid ka in the past. You're holding on too much to the things that are important to you. Naging matipid ka. Hindi ka masyadong gumagastos. I'm seeing you very much in control sa mga bagay-bagay, paying bills, parang nasa yung responsibility sa financial ng iyong family, whether pambayad ng ganito, pambayad sa ganyan, bills sa ganyan, to the point na hindi mo na rin siya na-enjoy yung mga bagay-bagay because there's too much responsibility on your shoulder. and lahat ng bagay pinangalagaan mo, pati pamilya, kaya parang napabayaan mo din somehow yung sarili mo at kinalimutan mo yung mga bagay na pangarap mo in the recent past. So, at naging mahirap din to for you kasi parang ikaw na lang at ikaw, di ba? Parang others are not taking their responsibilities seriously and ikaw na lang ikaw ang humahawak sa lahat ng bagay. So, the Four of Pentacles being clarified by the Ten of Cups. Yes, for the family. Everything you did to save up, makaipon, makapagpaaral ng anak, makapagpaaral ng kapatid o pamangkin or alagaan at sustentuhan ng iyong parents o yung halimbawa yung partner mo ay walang kakayahan to support you, ganyan. So, lahat ginawa mo. I'm seeing single parents out there who are struggling to maintain the balance and to maintain the harmony within the family, to make sure that every needs are being met in the recent past. Ang maganda in the near future, you have the King of Wands energy. For those Cancer singles, I'm seeing meeting someone new na may King of Wands energy, someone who is very masigasig, very friendly, maraming pangarap sa buhay, maraming gustong gawin, knows how to talk to you, marami siyang very expressive siya sa mga gusto niya at sa mga sinasabi niya sa iyo. So, in the near future, sa mga Cancer singles, there will be this brand new person darating sa life mo that will change your life. Probably, baka ito rin yung good surprise na naghihintay for you. But for others, I'm seeing you embodying this King of Wands energy. Meaning, ikaw parang meron ka malinaw na view in the near future of what you want to do in life. Since meron ka ditong Page of Pentacles, focus ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong pahalagahan. With the King of Wands, in the near future, magkakaroon ka ng grand plan in your life of what you want to do. Para magkakaroon ka din ng passion, para maintindihan mo na kung ano yung purpose mo in life. Na ito pala yung gusto kong gawin, ito pala yung may potential tong bagay na to for me in the future. Whether halimbawa gusto mo nang mag-online selling, and in the near future, you will get everything you need, all the resources, all the plans, planado mo lahat sa pagsisimula at pagkatagumpay ng online selling na yan, halimbawa. But for others, kung meron kang passion project na gusto simulan in the near future, makakatotoo yan, and you will have that fire within you, the motivation at sigasig na matupad lahat ng gusto mong gawin. So, congratulations, Cancer. So, the King of Wands being clarified by the Magician. Yes, you have the power and the ability to create things into reality. Ibig sabihin kung ano yung mga pinapangarap mo, pinaplano mo with the King of Wands energy, kaya mo siyang from imagination to reality, magagawa mo siya. Kung gusto mong bumili ng bahay, yan, in the near future, magagawa mo na siya. Ang gusto mong tayo ng sarili mong negosyo, yan, matutupad mo siya. So, make sure that your plans, ngayon pa lang, planado mo na yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin at alam mo kung ano yung end point na gusto mong tahakin. Okay? Dapat meron ka pa rin siguradong plano at siguradong goal so that hindi ka rin pa iba-iba ng goals, hindi ka pa iba-iba ng landas sa gagawin para hindi rin nasayang oras at saka energy mo. Okay? And also your resources, di ba? Your challenge this month, Cancer, is the World card. I'm seeing you trying to for others kasi parang may closure eh. So parang kahit alam mo natapos na, pabalik-balik ka pa rin doon. Nahihirapan ka mag-move forward. Kaya pasok itong dalawang ito na nasa middle mo now, sa life mo ngayon, itong Six of Swords at saka the World. You are trying to move forward but then again, pabalik-balik ka pa rin dun sa bagay na yun. Whether siguro past lover ito, past situation, or past endeavor mo na hindi mo maintindihan kung bakit hindi ka maka-move on dyan. The challenge for you this month is to let go and try to convince really yourself na okay, time to move on na, it's really tapos na yan. There are things na kailangan ko pang gawin in the near future. So mag-anticipate ka ng magagandang bagay o wag mo nang panghinayangan yung in the past. For others, I'm seeing nahihirapan ka tapusin isang bagay, whether trabaho yan, maraming gagawin. So hindi mo matapos-tapos and then may dadagdag pang bago, hindi mo na naman siya magawa o parang tambak ka, tambak ka, tambak, and you have a lot of responsibilities, kaya hindi mo matapos yung isang bagay, may dumadagdag na naman. So parang you're repeating on circles here, Cancer. Kung ano man po itong pinagkakaabalahan mo now o problema mo now, parang paulit-ulit at pabalik-balik lang. The challenge for you is to find ways on how to end that endeavor para hindi na bumalik. So maybe you should learn some lessons dyan sa part na yan. Ano ba yung mga mali mong ginagawa in the past? O sino ba yung mga maling taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo sa bagay na yan? At kung paano mo i-assess yung situation. So the world is being clarified, yes, by the Seven of Swords. Really, your assessment. Kailangan mo daw maging clever ka sa pag-iisip kung paano mo yan masusolusyonan o kung paano mo yan malalagpasan. Hindi ka pwedeng, you should really tell yourself, teka pa, ulit-ulit na lang to, babalik-balik na lang, bakit ganito? So you should really take, parang upuan mo to, and then think of a clever and strategic plan kung paano hihinto itong bagay na to, itong paulit-ulit na bumabalik sa'yo. Ikaw lang din makakaintindi yung sinabi ko yung Cancer. Something in your life now na paulit-ulit na bumabalik. And you really need to parang tell to yourself, stop. Pabalik-balik na lang tayo. I need to move on na. So, assess that. I-complete mo yan. Make a closure on that para maka-move forward ka na to a brand new cycle. In the area of your good fortune, you have the Judgment. Pag-action, I'm seeing you waking up from something. Baka ito yon. Magigising ka na sa isang bagay and you're gonna make a new plan, and that plan constitutes to a action, pagkilos, parang nagising ka na. I'm hearing from the very beginning, marami ng signs, synchronicities na binibigay sa iyo si Archangel Gabriel. Ginigising ka niya lagi na, hoy, itong gawin mo. Pati spirit guides mo, binibigyan ka na ng mga intuition messages. Para may mga kutob ka naman na yan na naririnig sa isip mo. And you're not paying attention back in the day. So now, since sa era siya ng good fortune, magigising ka na sa isang bagay, and that will give you the confidence na parang, okay, ito na yung gagawin ko, I need to move forward, I need to do this in order for me to attract new things. So, and very empowering si Judgment para sa'yo, Cancer. So the Judgment cards being clarified by Justice. Yes, balance will be restored. Kung ano man yung mga pagkukulang sa'yo at pagkakamali sa'yo ng ibang tao, now is the right time for you to stand up and take the power back in your hands and make a lifelong and powerful decisions for you. Kung ito man ay legal battles or court proceedings for you na nagduduel sa in the past, now this month may development dyan. You're gonna win this since meron itong Judgment card, and the balance and justice and good karma will be given to you. Okay? In the area of your good advice or divine, you have the Queen of Swords and the Seven of Swords. Dalawang beses pala lumabas yung Seven of Swords. 777 is luck, swerte. So may swerte ka this month, Cancer. So Queen of Swords is having this clear clarity sa kanyang isipan kung anong gusto niyang gawin sa life niya. This month, merong pagkilos para sa'yo. I'm hearing and seeing that. I'm feeling the energy of may enlightenment sa life mo this month. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Alam mo yung mga plano mo. And you're open for the possibilities of the future. But since may mga bagay pa rin parang on the surface, sa ilalim, parang may mga alinlangan ka pa rin o hindi ka siguraduhan, your ally here is a Seven of Swords. Meaning, plan ahead. Kung kaya mong sililinin na lang muna yung mga bagay-bagay, huwag mo muna i-share sa ibang tao, because when you share things to other people, baka ma-jinx yan o marami pang opinion, and then parang magulo pa yung desisyon. Because Seven of Swords is like, there will be backstabbers, there will be people jealous of you, kaya medyo na-impede o nahaharangan yung progress sa life mo. So make sure that you also have your voice, na kung ano yung gusto mo sabihin mo, kung ano yung ayaw mo sabihin mo, and cut off your connection dun sa mga tao na feeling mo ay hindi totoo sa'yo o kaya nagkakamali sa'yo o kaya toxic. Put boundaries to them para mabago yung energy sa paligid mo, and that you will only attract good things and the positive things only for your life ahead, okay? The Queen of Swords being clarified by the strength. Have the strength to speak up. Have that power and courage to go to the things na alam mong maganda para sa'yo. At wala ka ng time for other people na toxic at hindi makakatulong at makakabuti sa'yo. Especially also with the situations. Pag alam mong dehado ka na o hindi na nakakabuti sa'yo, speak up. Know when to walk away and fight for yourself, okay? The Seven of Swords being clarified. The Four of Swords. Yes, I'm seeing you having this peaceful, tahimik na approach sa mga bagay. Like I've said, huwag mo muna ipagsabi sa mga tao yung mga balak mong gawin. Do it on your own, o kaya do it only with the people na malapit sa'yo na pagkakatiwalaan mo, so that hindi rin ma-impede. Kasi because pag pinagsasabi mo sa ibang tao, you attract a lot of energies. So make sure na you are safe, you are sound in your own circle, you're on your own team, find your tribe, and guard your heart. Okay, Cancer? Bago tayo puntahan ng iyong outcome ng Queen of Cups, let's have additional messages from the Divine. First, number 17. Convertin nyo po ang 17 or edad or number of significance. This is a confirmation that this message is for you. Kung nakita po kayo ng crow o uwak anywhere, whether pictures, internet, personal, o napag-usapan, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. Crow spirit, co-create with spirit. So, find it within you. Make sure that this time kung ano yung aligned sa higher self mo, yun ang ginagawa mo. Make sure that parang kung ano yung nakatadhana mong gawin, do not resist it, okay? Another message is surrendering to the journey, release control. Sabi ko nga kanina, parang meron kang mga bagay na kinokontrol in your life, and now with the six of swords, parang you're trying to let go of that control and just go with the flow, okay? Ito ang area na kailangan mag-focus this month, Cancer. You have denial. I acknowledge my fear, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. So, may mga bagay ka talaga na may kutob this month. And you should acknowledge kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, kung ano yung nafe-feel mo sa paligid mo. You know na may mga bagay na alam mo na pero parang pinag-iisang tabi mo at hindi mo pinapakinggan. So, with the Judgment card, kailangan pakinggan yung mga signs and also synchronicities na bigay sa'yo ng iyong kutob, ng iyong intuition, ng iyong spirit guides. And para malaman mo rin kung ano yung katotohanan. So, remove the denials and be aware in your surroundings, Cancer. Your outcome this month, you have the King of Cups. I'm seeing you very relaxed, very very peaceful ang buhay mo this month, Cancer. I'm seeing you, hindi mo pinapangunahan yung emotion mo. You're sitting there kahit maraming gulo sa paligid, kahit maraming mga problema o kaya mga taong sa paligid mo. I'm seeing you very collected, very calm, emotionally matured. Wag mo nang isipin yung mga ibang tao. Make sure na hindi ka rin nadadala sa iyong emosyon at yung decision mo sa life mo ay nanggagaling sa iyong isipan, sa iyong logic. Pinag-isipan mo ng matagal kaysa kumilos ka based on your emotions. Okay? So the King of Cups being clarified by the Ten of Swords. Walk away from things na alam mong nega, o alam mong conflict, o alam mo na puro drama lang. Choose your battles this month, Cancer. Make sure na alam mo kung ano yung dapat mo lang pagpawisan, kung ano yung dapat mo lang bigyan ng effort, time at pera. Choose yourself, choose peace, and choose what's better for you, your family, and for your future, okay? Cancer, that is your monthly reading for March 2025. Saan po kayo nakarelate? Saan po kayo nakaresonate? Comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. See you again next week for your first week of the month reading. Thank you for the likes, shares, and subscriptions. Thank you again for not skipping the ads. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.